Okay guys, just done a markup for the guys in the squad, and it's a little salute to Josh because you requested it, and it's pound JPY. Now I'm going to back it up. I did do thing for them on the Dow earlier. That came into play, so let's have a little look, shall we? So what we're looking at is this. Just flick this over so that you can kind of see. This is for Josh. Bulls and Bears, that is there. Done the markup for them. And also in the update is this, where it actually tells you what the trade is. I'll show you this fully actually, because I live on this thing. Right. Punch a few numbers in, it actually spits out what you're going to trade. Now, at the moment, we're looking at this at 11:24 this morning. What it's telling me is we are currently in a bear market on it, but there's not a lot going on in the mid time frames. So I've got to rely on scalping time frames, which is the low time frames. And it's telling me to buy it. It says it's risky, but there's an 11 pip target probable based on what's called +1 -1. So if I look at the hourly, so I can get a gauge of what's going on, it's actually coming in to a key point now, and it's pulling against this particular move here. So get my fib, drop that into there so I can see what's going on, and then I can start putting in some entry exits. Well, it's just broke through one, which is here. Oh, we'll have that as a dotted line, which is there, all the way through. There's the next one. Now, if it's pulling against this lot, I can use them to get in and out of the chart. Okay, right, so they're in place. So if I look out into the 4 hour, where you can see there's a strong drive coming up here, okay, and it's flattened out. So yeah, there's probably a good opportunity to buy this thing. Dropping down, happy days. Taking into 15 minutes. Well, 15 minutes. Looks like it's breaking through what is sort of an 11 pip target. Well, let's get through. So yeah, if we buy that, we fine. If we buy this one, we fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to straddle this, and we're going to put an order here. I'm going to put an order there, and I'll follow these candles down. So quite happy with that. Right, okay, so let me just get the top order in first. So just drop that in. Okay, and 11 pips, kabush. Right, so bear with me just a second. Are we good to go? Is it? Oops, sorry. Are we good to go? I think we are. Okay. So we might actually just be on the top level. Right. So drop that there. 11 pips. Bish bash. Off we go. So I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. So we're looking to trigger. Now, this might have left it behind slightly. Take it down to 5 minutes. Let's have a quick look at this. Actually, could have had it on the top of there. So I'm going to take this order out, and we're going to put it on the top of the spike. There. Oops, sorry. Okay. Right, so we almost ready to go. Almost. Right, we're in. Okay. And we want to get it to here. The next bounce point is probably there. So that's what we're looking at. This is a scalping trade. So I'm quite happy with it. Question is now, what do I do with it? Well, I can either ride it out into a profit, which it's rattling away now. And this is based on the criteria we can see. Oh, this is shooting up quite well. It's almost at target as we speak. Come on, a little bit further. Do your job for daddy. Go on, go on, go on. There we are. So that's, I don't know, how long was that? 30 seconds? Well, and I got my coffee as well. This, what a day this is. This is outstanding. Hey, what do you want?
Nothing.
Lying bitch, she wants a new car.
Well,
Right?
I want a car anyway.
So, there you go. Bang on, stalled on the level that we put in based on an entry at this level here. So, that was for Josh. Really just backing up what I said in the breakdown. These levels are key. Once you've got your criteria in place, straight to market, in we go. And I was actually right to target that area because it is pulling away now. Okay. So happy days. So that was short and sweet. You're short and sweet, aren't you?
Am I?
Yeah. She's lovely, you know. I do like her. You know. And she thinks I'm one of these. She thinks I'm a little shit.
Yeah, I know.
Do you like this one, the depth charger?
Oh, I don't see.
You know? Oh, that's the one you want. Okay, so that concludes that trade for today. I was quite happy. It did quite well up. Bear with me just a second. I'm going to flick it back. You should always check to make certain all your tickets are off. And then there you go, 75 quid, bish bash bosh. And that's what the guy saw me do yesterday. So, there you go. As always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.